about arithmetic means. So if we are going to define arithmetic means is referred to the terms between first term and the last term of the arithmetic sequence. So for example, I have here a arithmetic sequence. We have, for example, is 1, 4, 7, and 10. So ano ba yung dalawa, or what are the terms that is between the first term and the last term? So, ang first term natin and 1, ito yung ating magsisilbing first term, at itong 10 natin ang magsisilbi nating last term or a sub n. Kung ano yung dalawang numbers or kung ano yung mga numbers na pumapagitna sa ating first term at sa ating last term, iyon ang tinatawag nating arithmetic means, or yun yung tinatawag natin, or that what we call the arithmetic means. So, paano naman makukuha ang arithmetic means? So, may two ways, or there are two consequences or two conditions in finding the arithmetic means of an arithmetic sequence. So, ang una natin is kapag ang given natin or ang nawawala nating arithmetic mean ay isa lamang. So, kung ang nawawala nating arithmetic mean ay iisa lamang, we will use the formula m sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub n all over 2, wherein m sub n refers to the value of arithmetic means, a sub 1 refers to the value of our first term, and a sub n refers to our last term, and 2 is constant term. Paano naman kapag dalawa or higit pa or 2 or more ang hinahanap nating arithmetic means? So, ang gagamitin natin or ang una nating gagawin, we need first to determine what is the value of our common difference. Kasi it will serve as the key or foundation para mahanap natin yung mga, kapag nakuha na natin ang common difference natin using the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d. Kapag nahanap natin ang common difference natin, we will just add it to our first term, then we will determine the other missing arithmetic means. So para po mas maliwanag, let's have an example. So unahin muna natin is determine the arithmetic mean between 10 and 20. Okay. So since that ang hinahanap ng, or it pertains na ang hinahanap lang nating arithmetic mean dito ay isa lamang, which is arithmetic mean between 10 and 20, ang gagawin nating class or ang una nating gagamiting formula is the formula m sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub n all over 2. So, in our given sequence, we have 10 and 20. So, let's say it will become 10 blank 20. Okay. So, ang ating 10, it will serve as our first term. And the other one, 20, will serve as our last term. So, using the formula, m sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub n all over 2. Let's determine the one arithmetic mean between them. So, direct substitution, since that our a sub 1 or our first term is 10, substitute, so it will become m sub n is equal to first term, we have 10 plus our a sub n or last term is 20 all over 2. Okay, so para malaman natin kung ano ang ating arithmetic mean, let's simplify. So we have m sub n, unahin natin i-simplify ang nasa taas, which is 10 plus 20. So 10 plus 20, it is equal to 30 all over 2. And to simplify it, so arithmetic mean is equal to 30 divided 2, it is equal to 15. So it means the arithmetic mean between the 10 and 20, it is equal to 15. At ang masasabi natin na ang arithmetic sequence natin ay binubuo ng 10, 15, and 20. So that is for first example. Let's have another example. We have insert 3 arithmetic means between 3 and 11. So let's see that in our example number 2, 3 is our first term and ang ating last term is 11. So sabi, we need to insert 3 arithmetic means. So we have 1, 2, 3. So, it means ang ating sequence is composed of 5 terms. We have 5 terms in this given sequence. So tulad, balik tayo sa pinaka-definition. So if our given sequence or our given arithmetic means ay ang hinahanap ay 2 or more, ang una natin gagawin is we need to determine the common difference or the value of our D. Okay, so using the formula, A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, aalamin natin ano ba yung ating A sub n, ano ba yung ating A sub 1, at ano yung ating n. Kasi ang target nating makuha is the value of our common difference. So, it will become ang ating E sub n last term. So it pertains to our last term. Our last term is equal to 11. Then our A sub 1 first term, we have 3. And n, paano natin malalaman ng n? Bilangin natin kung ilan ang terms ng ating sequence or ng ating arithmetic sequence. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our n is equal to 5. Okay, so yun yung mga mahalagang components natin. Then right after that, substitute to our formula. So it will become 11 is equal to, our A sub 1 is 3 plus the quantity of our n, 5 minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, so to simplify it, unahin muna natin simplify ang 5 minus 1. So, or yung mga terms na nasa loob or expression na nasa loob ng ating parentheses. So, it will become 11 is equal to 3 plus 5 minus 1, it is equal to 4. So, it will become 4 times D or 4D. Then, right after that, ililipat natin or we will transpose 3 to the other side. So, it will become 10, ililipat na 11, rather. So, itong 3, it will become negative 3. So, since that it is positive to the other side, lipat natin to the other side, it will become negative 3 equal to 4D. 11 minus 3, it is equal to positive 8 is equal to 4D. Then, right after that, divide both sides by 4. Cancel, cancel. D is equal to 8 divided 4, it is equal to positive 2. So it pertains that our common difference is equal to positive 2. And going back to the definition of arithmetic sequence, diba sabi, ang term or the next term of an arithmetic sequence is produced by adding a constant term which is yung common difference natin. So para makuha natin yung mga nawawala nating arithmetic means or yung mga terms natin na nawawala, ang gagawin natin, itong common difference natin na 2 ay i-add natin starting from our first term and to other preceding terms o sa mga sumusunod pang terms natin. So let's start to our first term. First term, we have 3. Add natin by 2. So to determine our second term, A sub 2 is equal to first term 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, it is equal to 5. So it means our second term, we have 5. Another, to determine the third term, A sub 3 is equal to, we have, so 5 plus 2. Then add 5 plus 2, 7. So our third term is 7. And our A sub 4 or fourth term, so 7 ang preceding term natin plus we have the common difference 2 is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. We have 9. So, it means, or kahulugan yan, ang ating arithmetic means are 5, 7, and 9. Which is, pinagigitnaan siya ng ating first term na 3 and last term na 11. So, our arithmetic sequence is 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11.